Hello students, today's our topic is colors name with pictures. Purple color, yellow color, sky blue color, blue color, pink color, green color, dark pink color, orange color, red color, yellow color, red color, pink color.
Wow!
And next is Kate. Yellow color, yellow color, skin color, red color, black color,